My name is and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am so excited to let you guys know my final thoughts on using all LANA products for 30 days and of course the giveaway winners of all the LANA products, the Ultimate Skincare Bundle and the Annelle gift, which is the Arc Mirror. So if you want to know if you're one of the lucky winners, then just keep on watching. So it has been officially more than 30 days since I started using all LANA products, and I must let you guys know that whenever I say that I try out a product for X number of days, that's exactly how long I try them. Like, I don't cheat or I don't like use them for a while and not use them again. Basta all my video reviews about testing products are always going to be 100% honest. What happened to my skin after using all LANA products for 30 days? I'm happy to let you guys know that my skin did not experience any breakouts. It did not cause any allergic reactions to my skin. I did not get any additional acne anywhere. I did not experience any itchy patches while using them. It all actually went great on my skin. So I had a very pleasant experience using all LANA products, and I just want to show you guys how much product I've used up in 30 days. So for the cleanser, it's currently over here. So that's 1 month. So I feel like this entire bottle is gonna last you So I feel like this bottle is going to last you roughly 4 to 5 months. So that's pretty long. And actually matipid siya gamitin. I used to do, like in my previous video, I used to do 2 pumps. But over the weeks, I learned that 1.5 or 1 pump is actually enough for my face already. So just adjust according to your needs. And for the serums, so these 2 serums, I've actually used up all the DNA repair elixir. So I use this twice a day, morning and evening. And as for the argan oil, it's half. I still have half the bottle because I just use this at night, and I use this on my face and also on rough patches. And as for the sunblock, it's currently with my mom, so I can't show you guys, but there's still a lot of product left still. And the lash and brow serum looks kinda murdered. I'm so sorry. I don't know why, but natanggal na yung... I use this only at night and I still have a decent amount of product left. So, madami pa siya. Yan. As for the soaps, I cut them all up into halves, and I've used up everything except for this age-defying one. I think my favorite among the 3 variants would have to be the brightening one because I love the smell of it. So if you're someone who loves the fresh scent of cologne or yung bagong ligo scent, you are going to love that. And if you like something more on the sweet side like dessert, you will like this age-defying one. This actually smells like cheesecake and milk and blueberries. Besides, it smells like a dessert. And the activated charcoal one smells also refreshing, but I prefer the brightening one. Okay, so my final thoughts about using all LANA products is that it kept my skin clear all throughout the 30 days. It did not cause any breakouts, and it just kept my face looking fresh and, you know, put together, especially on days when I didn't get enough sleep the previous night. And in the morning, whenever I'd use the DNA elixir, I felt like it was such a hydrating product to use, and it gave me like a glow in a way. So yun. To whom do I recommend this entire skincare set? I feel like number 1, anyone who's starting out their skincare or who's trying to build an easy routine for their face would really find this such a breeze to use. It's no fuss. So if you're someone who's very particular with the ingredients in their skincare products, then this is a line that you should look into because all of their products are natural and you won't find any alcohol and that much preservatives in them. So you can also check the ingredients list on their website. And number 3, for anyone who's looking for products that can help give them radiant skin or keep the pimples and blemishes away, then you might want to give this a try. So overall, I would highly recommend that you guys try out all the LANA products, especially the cleanser and the DNA elixir. So congratulations to the 2 winners. I will be contacting you through Instagram DM. Just wait for my message a little bit after this video is released. And by the time that this video is released also, I'm sure that I've posted my mink giveaway, so you can win all mink products and another mirror, which is a half moon mirror. So there. So thank you so much to everyone who joined this giveaway. It was my first time hosting one, and honestly, I felt so nervous about doing it kasi I felt like walang sasali or what. But thank you so much to the 9,000 entries that we got. I'm so thankful. Let me know in the comments down below what other giveaways you'd like me to do. And again, thank you so much, LANA, for this collaboration and for believing in me and for providing all of your products for me and our winner. So there. Whew. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!